morning, good morning. So we are entering now in this village from the main highway, and this is the way going to our new mission work here in Kampot province, Cambodia. As you can see, guys, the sun here is red. That is the anyway. That's the house I said.
Mm.
I will tell simply to us.
Yes, yes. They have one.
Can you take picture? Maybe I will just.
Oops, that is ours.
House that nobody stayed there.
I think we will download it.
I think
That's the perfect.
yeah.
Yeah, you'll get allergies. Do that. Why so sweaty?
The sands are red.
The sand.
The sands different from Philippines.
Why is the sand red?
It's quality sand. They use it to make strong bricks and other
Ceramic.
ceramics they can use. So they're rich. Cambodia is rich.
So what about Israel?
A lot of treasures.
About Israel?
Israel? Israel is the most rich and powerful. They have diamonds.
Ooh. Hey, you get allergies.
In the Philippines we have gold.
Ooh. Stop eating Bogart.
Cambodia has gold also,
Golden.
but Cambodia is rich in natural resources.
Ooh.
Motorbike is following at the back. I think they should to go ahead because it's dusty. Get them to go ahead.
Oh, see plants. Imagine the windows open.
Yeah,
Oh.
so pretty. Very nice.
He said, and then no. What is the people now? Snip and you call out an axe. No! What axe? No, not those
So one house
Like
there.
the trees are here and there's red axe from that restaurant and it's all
It's
here.
good to rent only here in this room.
When we go outside and it's kind of pink.
And that one, that house.
Oh, so yellow.
There's no bed.
That's the wall. Look at, very strong.
Yellow
There's someone living.
Yeah. Yeah, we already see yellow ants.
And can be
Those are
rented.
yellow ants.
For me, it's good.
That's the one, the first one.
Well, yeah, those are yellow. But in the day, they're sometimes like in the afternoon, they're like yellow.
I see.
Like when I put it on a leaf, it's yellow.
I like province. So fresh and peaceful.
Our pizzas.
Para oh. Dusmin sa kalibo, dusmin.
Yeah, this one.
Fresh
Very
meat.
Para gali ano, dita perta ano, duwaman, no?
We make more quality. I think we can visit with Sukmi later and before we leave. Get hardware so that I can check. But it's raining here last night. I saw some water on the
children. You can the perfect place na to ba ang ano no?
Eating.
Tapos maka ano sa mga matubig no? Tapos ka yan, labay ka dili ba? Dili ba nandun? No? Kunsa Wells Roline to you.
Ito lang nga.
Ruby.
Horsetails and ponytails is here. Why is ponytails? Ponytails is like here.
Sugar cane, no?
It's for...
Can get the sugar cane and make sugar cane juice.
See, they already upgraded the car. They have new Prius.
Dapat ka to bala sa palengke ba?
This house, yeah, this house also.
They are renovating their market, but it's not renovating. The big market inside, they are closed all.
There's
They abandon it. Maybe they will change.
okay. Oh, there's a stove here.
Oh, okay. Oh, coconut. Oh, pastor.
Go, go, go,
Pastor.
go, 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 go,
Our friend will really enjoy it. Even us. I miss it.
Nut is a giant
I
nut.
don't have
Me
children.
too. I want to stay here
I
if
don't have children.
you don't have
This one,
children
this house
studying.
also, this looks like nobody.
no have.
Coconut nut is not a nut.
That one.
Coconut nut is very good. You can take its wood to make a house. The coconut bark is very strong. You can build another house to make a second floor. Is the coconut? Is the coconut? From the coconut. From the coconut.
May worship kan dali di sila ga.
Yeah. This is so good.
Ang barangay nila ga.
That's belong to
Nakulan diri ga.
belong to the
May tubig na ang yan.
people.
Is the coconut?
So that's our church ongoing construction.
2, 4, 5.
So
Tulo na
can you
kalibog iya. Ano?
take picture from here so that you will not walk again later? No, yours. It's okay.
Coconut, 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 coconut nut is very. I forgot to say this. If you see a building, coconut nut is not a nut.
Yeah, our big church, the first big church that we built.
If you eat too much, you'll be very fat. Coconut, 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 coconut nut is a giant nut.
There's electric
If you
daddy.
eat
It's
too
okay.
much, you'll be
We
very
pass by.
fat. The coconut bark is very good. You can build a house into a second floor. Is the cocoa fruit? Is the cocoa fruit? In the cocoa fruit? In the cocoa tree?
Give this to ano.
Coconut family.
Oh, panyabot.
La 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 la. Coconut, 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 coconut. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very
Morning. Morning.
That is very good. You can build another house for your family.
Lang ang limpiwan ko. Di ka limpiwan mo.
You can
Hindi,
build a
bago
second
sila,
floor for
para
your
mag-
friend.
because we have
not
worship.
a nut. It's the cocoa fruit from the cocoa tree. It's the cocoa fruit. It's the cocoa fruit from the cocoa tree. Give me Mansu!